Welcome to the Car Story News Center. Here is your weekly report. The battery in the Subaru STI died again. It let the owner down on a sunny Saturday morning, just when he expected to take it out of the garage and wash it. Luckily, a Car Story reporter was at the scene to take video of all the action as it unfolded. Hey guys, I just moved the Jeep out of my way so I can get my STI out of the garage so I can clean it. Wanted to give it a bath today. But when I open the door, as you can see, nothing turns on. Here we go again, dead battery. I don't know what's going on with this car, if it has some kind of a battery drain issue, but I drove it just a few days ago and everything was okay. And now I can't even start it. The Mustang sits out there in the heat all day, every day. It has the original battery. The car starts every time I get in it. Okay guys, I called AAA and they're already on their way here. I don't want to deal with jumper cables and everything because by the time I do all that, they could be here. And in the process, I'm washing the Mustang. So I'm gonna wash the Mustang first. Then when the STI started, I'll take it around the block a few times, bring it back and start washing that. And then the Jeep will get washed. Okay, this is the STI battery that was replaced by Subaru. I'm thinking there's some kind of battery drain issue going on, so let me know if you know anything about that. It only took about 15 minutes for AAA to arrive. As you will see, the AAA technician is very proud of his jump start box.
I had it for 2 years and it ain't never let me down.
I'll have to get one of those.
I jumped 350s with this. We done went through so many different types of jump boxes, and this is one of the ones that's only really stood up in the paint.
Let me know when you want me to start it. Yep, there, and there are the lights. And there she is. And just like that, back to life. All seemed good at the time. However, once the owner took the car for a short drive, he noticed the driver's side window control for the front passenger window was no longer working. This was no doubt due to the battery failure. After a quick internet search, the owner found a fix for the issue and captured the results on video. Okay, let's try to fix the power window on the passenger side. Let's unlock the car. Let's try this first. I'm going to turn the car on. You can hit the window switch halfway down, pull it up, and hold for 1 second. Now let's try on the driver's side. Oh, now it works. Now it works. I guess I should have tested it first to show you that it wasn't working on the passenger side. Oh look, my one up isn't working. Look at that. After the battery died, now my one touch up isn't working. So it said, all right, well, let's just hold it for 1 second, let it go. One touch down, one touch up is now working. Is that weird or what? Back windows are working, right? It's a Subi thing. The strange things that will happen to your Subaru when the battery dies. One touch up works, good. Okay, now, to try to avoid the parasitic battery drain, I'm gonna hit this button 3 times, the lock button from the key fob. 1, 2, 3. Online Subaru scholars maintain that if you do not hit the lock button on the key fob 3 times, the car might be attempting to communicate with the Subaru Starlink system and thus causing a parasitic battery drain. The owner has happily reported that since using the 3-button lock method, the battery has not drained again. He went on to say that it's not cool that I have to lock my car in my own garage. A first world problem, to be sure. That's it for this Car Story Weekly Report. Come back next week for more interesting and thought-provoking car story news. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up so I know you want to see more like it. Leave a comment to let me know what you thought of this video, and as always, thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.